What's going on, everybody? Today we've got a LUXE OLED carbon fiber edition. Shooting the Stella 685, 688 tip, Bunker King's Control, Ninja 90, which is my new go-to now. There was a leak in between the body and the frame. Replaced the OLED screen, gave the bolt kit a workaround, or a work through, and also serviced the rig. A little hot. 316. 316. .308, 3 shots in a row. So, the one thing I love about LUXEs is how easy they are to one hand. So let's get some one hand in here. Screen's a little dim on these guys. One last look. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.